So you always have to have a motive. The motive is getting better, learning more about the plants, and to able to get healthy and safe plant. Like Lara said, like okay, the wicker share say my motive can't do it. Can I do it for free? That's the you said it. You said it. Can we do it for free? Well, you know what, guys? I just want to share this with you guys. And thank you all for saying that because I want to share this with you guys. Do you see this garden that I'm growing right at this moment with all different type of food? We have pumpkin, okra, all different type of food. We have the edos, we have the dashin, we have the tanya, everything. Well, guess what? I didn't spend $1 buying anything up inside here. Everything you see growing, they start from seed. Everything you see growing start from seed. It did not cost me a dime to create this garden. Not a dime. So you can do it. And don't make no one tell you you cannot do it. Because you can. All this food over here, all this is edos, dashi, edos over here. All this is food growing right over here. It did not cost me a dime growing plant up this garden. All my peppers up there start from seed. All my eggplant start from seed. You can do it. You can do it. All right? Don't ever doubt yourself. Don't ever discourage yourself. And if you following someone and they're telling you that you can't do it, then you need to start following someone else. Because you can do it. There's something you got to do. Start your garden from indoors. You got to start your seeds from indoors. This is project you have to learn. You got to learn how to start your seed from indoors. Because remember, this seedling is getting so expensive these days. You could purchase a seedling and you could pay $6, $7 for that seedlings. But guess what? You could set your seed and you can save yourself a whole bunch of money. All right, so this is a harvest I now did, guys. I'm gonna upload this video later on today with me harvesting these eggplant and these bell pepper. I now harvest these as well. All these is pepper, and I'm just going around and picking okras after plants them. All right, we also, is so much we can harvest. We also have callaloo, which is dasheen leaf right here. These are dasheen leaf. We could harvest these, and what we can do, we can cook these up just like how you cook up collards. Let me see. I pray one day I can do this. You can do it. You can do it. Even the weather is heated, you can do it. Don't ever believe you can't do it. You still can do it. You see these are edo and dasheen leaf, and we cook these down just like how we're gonna cook down collards, like we're growing collard greens. We cook these down just like we do in collards. These are seasoning for pot. You can cook these. You can, if you cook in a pot, you could cut these leaves and throw them down inside the pot, and it flavor your pot really well. This okra plant here, you see what I'm doing here, guys? I'm saving these to get seeds from them. Very soon, I'm not even sure if we will able to get real seed. So you guys better be active now and try to get some real seeds, I'm telling you. Now we have the shisho plant. Let me tell you about a little about this shisho plant. This shisho plant is, the Japanese enjoy these plants. Let me see. Eggplant, tomato, green beans. All right, all right. Oh, yes, pepper too, yes. You must, yes. I have good soil, but I work very hard in this soil to get it where it is today. This soil was actually clay soil, and over the years, and I'm going to talk about soil in a minute. Over the years, my hard work transformed the soil. Okay, so this is a shisho plant, shisho. This is what you call shisho. The Japanese love this plant. What the Japanese do, they like to put it in their soup. They also like to put it in their tea. And this is a beautiful plant. So now, this is another harvest I did here. So I'm gonna harvest this. What I'm gonna do with this one, I'm gonna eat this one. Hey Penelope, how you doing? I'm gonna save this one and I'm gonna eat this one tonight. I'm gonna make some nice soup with this one and I'm gonna eat it, flavor it up with a little hot pepper, add a little eggplant, cut up a few sweet pepper with it. Yes, I break it. The reason why I break it, I have so many of them, watch. I have so many of them growing up there. You see? So I don't just break them because the thing about it is they spreads a lot. They also produce a beautiful flowers. You see, I have a lot of them. So if you allow them, they will take over your plant, your garden, and also if you break them, they're gonna start pushing up new leaf. So it's no problem breaking them. But they also produce a beautiful flowers which also draw a lot of pollinators. That's a jungle of food. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. You see, so it's all different type of food we have. Yes, we have rosemary. This is rosemary too. These are sage, and now transplant them in the hot sun, and the hot sun was blazing them up, but now the rain is coming, we start see they coming back to life. We have Mary. This is marigold. We use the flowers and make the tea. This is the flowers right here. I use these and I make tea. I don't know for other people, but I use these flowers and I make tea. We also have, so you see, there's a bunch of them coming, and what I love about these plants, what they do, they will drop their seeds and they will come back the following year. So you ain't even have to walk around trying to set them. They're gonna come back for themselves. We also have ginger growing as well. We have ginger. We have turmeric growing here. We have ginger, turmeric.